Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. So excited to be doing this video today. This is the first video of our episode, I Create. So if you are new here to the channel, this is a new series that I have started for all of my inspiring entrepreneurs, creators, and influencers, and also current entrepreneurs, creators, and influencers as well. So in this series, we will be diving deep off into what it takes to actually make money online, also content creation tools, things to be able to drive traffic to your website or your landing page or either your stand store. So this is going to be all things I create, right? So before we get started, and feel free to skip past this portion, I just want to be able to tell you a little bit about me. So I am the owner of Expressions Inc., which is a t-shirt and apparel brand that I started in 2020. I've been able to go in and scale that brand to over $500,000 in revenue. I've also been able to build a community around that brand as well. So my specialty is content creation and also making money via e-commerce as far as selling an actual product or selling a digital product. So those are the areas that I will be actually diving off into and covering, just to let you know that I am speaking from my personal experience. This is not what somebody has told me or something that I read on the internet. These are mistakes that I've made, things that I've experienced, money that I've made from my own personal experience. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about content tools and equipment you need to get started creating content, whether that is you creating an Instagram reel or you are recording a YouTube video. So of course, starting out creating content, you simply can use your iPhone. You do not need a big old fancy camera to start out with. And let me tell you why I say that. Because you need to test and do trial and error prior to you going and investing $500, $1,000 off in camera equipment and all of the things, right? Start with your iPhone with what you currently have. And I'm going to show you equipment that I actually use for my iPhone as well. So the very first thing I would say you need to invest in is a battery, a portable battery. Now this battery that I have, it is the iWalk battery that I picked up from Amazon because you do not want to be out creating content and then all of a sudden your phone die. And then you be like, oh my God, I was not even finished taking pictures or shooting video, whatever that looks like. So invest into you 1 or 2 portable batteries to be able to take with you on your shoots. The next thing to invest in is remote controls. Yes. Remote controls. Have remote controls, because I know a lot of y'all are shooting on your own. So it may not necessarily be anyone there to press and stop record for you. Now, these remote controls are very easy to program to your phone. They are Bluetooth, so you can program, you can shoot pictures, you can do videos, all by just simply this little remote control. Another tip that I want to give as well is get more than one of these remote controls because they do break very easily. I'm going to have it linked in the description box in my Amazon storefront. You can pick these up in like packs of 3s, or you can either buy them singly, but I definitely do suggest investing in more than one. The next thing is going to be audio microphones. Okay, microphones. Now this right here is actually a total set, and I'm showing you the budget friendly one. This was only $24 if I'm not mistaken when I purchased this, but this connects directly to your iPhone. Okay, it comes with a charger and everything. It is great quality. I even use them in my Instagram videos. You can go to my Instagram videos now and see me using this microphone, especially if I'm recording a quick video on my iPhone. And this actually just helps level up your audio, to make your audio sound better so that it doesn't have that really airy type sound, you know, on your videos. Another one that I'm actually going to pop up that I just recently ordered is the Movo. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Is the Movo microphone. It's actually coming in. I thought it was going to be in by the time I shot this video, but this microphone here, from what I hear, is great quality. So I did purchase it to be able to go in and test it out for myself. Now, yes, this microphone here is a little bit more on the expensive side, but it is something that I actually wanted to test out myself. So I'll make sure that I have this one linked in the description box for you as well. Next, I want to show you storage. You need storage if you are shooting on your iPhone, okay? So this right here is a Apple Lightning cable that you can pick up from Amazon, and it uses a SD card, which is this right here. And you can simply just take it and plug it off in here. If I can get it off in here, child. I'm putting it in the wrong way. If I can get this to go in here. Okay, there we go. I was putting it in the wrong way, but it goes in, and you definitely need storage because your iPhone can fill up very quickly, and you can just simply take this and plug it into the bottom of your iPhone, and you can download all of your videos and all of that off of it. And then you can take this too as well. You can get the other adapter and plug it to your computer. Let's just say if you're editing on your computer in CapCut or InShot or whatever editing software that you actually use. So storage is super important. Also, another thing that I want to point out with the SD cards as well is that the SD cards do come in a bunch of different sizing as far as like gigabytes and stuff. So I believe the highest one is 512, which means you can record long time. You can record, and have a lot of things on that SD card. So I wanted to say that. Another one that I want to also mention, I don't have mine over here, is a portable hard drive that you can actually use as well. So I'll pop that up on the screen. That's just another option for you to be able to store your videos on, and it literally just connects directly to your iPhone for you to be able to pull those videos or photos off of your iPhone. Now let's get off into some lighting. So the very first light that I picked up was what I call the famous TikTok light, which is this light right here. It is very bright. You can use this a lot of times at night if you are on date night or you are at an event or whatever and you're shooting, and you can use this light in not so well lit areas, and it literally just clamps on to your phone. I'm gonna show y'all. It literally just clamps on to your phone just like that. So quick and simple that you can use this light. It's not expensive at all. It does come with a charger, so you can actually charge this light as well. Now the next light that I want to show you is the Ulanzi. Oh, I hope I'm saying it right. The Ulanzi light, okay? And this is it. It's very inexpensive, but it does have the different colors that you can change on the back of this light. Now, this particular light, you will need what is called a phone rig, which I'll show you a little bit later, because this light here does have a cold shoe on it for you to be able to use it to go with your cell phone. So this is the other light that I would actually recommend as well. The next piece of equipment I want to show you is this monitor that you can get for your iPhone, okay? And as you guys know, recording with your back camera, you're going to get the best quality out of your iPhone. So I picked this monitor up off of Amazon, and when I say I love it, I absolutely love it. And it's this little boy right here. I actually already have it connected to my phone because I actually want to show y'all how this works. So you take your phone, and it comes with this mount, and you place it here. I got it upside down. And you place it just like that. So as y'all can see, y'all can actually see what is going on my phone. And so now y'all can actually see me on the back of my phone, right? Y'all can see me and I can actually see myself. So I'm going to turn this around. And so I just kind of wanted to show you all, this is what it actually looks like. You can see what is going on, which I thought was super, super dope. I was like, okay, I love this monitor, and let me tell y'all why. It's easy. All you do is simply go in and connect it to your Wi-Fi on your phone, and you can select the mirroring option on your phone as well, and then bam, you can, whether you're doing reels, whether you're taking pictures, whether you're shooting a YouTube video on your phone, I like this monitor because it's great. Now, the only little takeaway that I will say, there is a slight lag, of course, with this monitor as well, but you can always make sure that you see yourself in frame of the camera. You ain't got no boogers or nothing in your nose. So I really, really like that about that monitor. Now let's get off into tripods and gimbals. So this is the first little baby that I want to show y'all. It is a table tripod. It is a magnet that you can literally put your phone on. I carry this in my travel content kit, whether I'm traveling or whether I'm here in the city. It's great for you to be able to use. Like when I went to brunch the other day and I just wanted to record myself, I just simply put my phone on here and was able to turn it around just like that. Because you know, when you're out and you're recording, you want to respect other people's privacy, but this little baby works wonders, even for those of y'all who get content while you are at work or in the office too. And my next one is this little baby here. Y'all listen, I travel with this tripod. I'm gonna open it up really quick so y'all can see it. So this is, of course, it extends up to 6 feet, but this is very lightweight that you can take with you anywhere and be able to put your iPhone in this tripod, especially if you're going to take pictures by yourself, or maybe you're outside and you need to create a quick reel. This is my go-to always. And I always have it with me. I remember one time I went and I needed to take a picture and I didn't have nobody to take, but I was like, dang, I left my tripod at home. So I call it my travel kit because this definitely comes in handy, but it's very lightweight. Even if you're traveling on the plane, you can put this in your carry-on tote as well. And next, let's talk about gimbals. So this gimbal right here, I bought this gimbal, I believe, when it first came out. So yes, I do have the older model of this DJI gimbal, but I love this gimbal too because at the bottom you can even mount this on your tripod to be able to hold your iPhone. And I love the fact that it has a tracking system that you can use. So, you know, if you need to put a little motion in your video, you can definitely do this with this gimbal right here. Now, I believe this gimbal comes in now it's probably way cheaper than what it was when I bought it, like $99, but I have this linked in the description box as well in the event that you want to do a gimbal. Also, I want to note with this gimbal, it gives great stabilization as you are walking. Let's just say you're doing a day in a life reel or you're doing a day in a life video on your iPhone. This gives great stabilization as well as you're walking and you're moving. Now let's get off into mounts. So this is my current mount that I actually use, and I have the double suction mount for when I am vlogging in the car. And you can definitely use this with your cell phone. I got the double suction mount because I do put my camera on it, and I just really wanted extra security for when I am out shooting, and I want to just know that it wasn't gonna fall. But they do have the single suction cups that you can actually purchase from this as well, and this is very durable, y'all. I even want to say this for all of my cousins who do beauty content or any that this is your friend, right? So you can give a nice, clean, smooth video as you are creating your content with this. And you can also put this in your car as well. And last but not least, I'm going to throw this off in here. So my current camera that I have right now is a Canon M50 EOS that I am shooting this video on. And the lens that I have attached to it is the Sigma lens 1.4 lens that I'm actually using. I just threw that in because a lot of times I get asked, hey, what camera are you shooting with? But I am waiting on another camera that I just ordered to actually come in, and I am getting the Sony ZV-10, which is a very popular camera to vlog with and also shoot content with as well. So cousins, I hope you all have enjoyed this video with all the content tools that you need to be able to get started. And remember, cousin, you don't have to have a whole bunch of money or fancy equipment. I want you to get started today. If you don't need any of these items that I suggest them, don't buy them. Get to creating your YouTube videos, get to creating your Instagram reels and TikToks and all the things so that you can get the practice in when it comes to creating content. So yes, content is building a skill. You're building a skill when it comes to creating content. So do not forget to get on the email list by joining the Cousin Crew. I will have that linked down in the description box as well. So that way I can contact y'all in the event, you know what I'm saying, social media be social media, okay? So I can email and contact you outside of social media as well. And also every single item that I spoke to you about today will be linked in my Amazon store. So if you need to pick up any of these items, honey, I'll have that linked in the description box. I also have a pinned comment for you as well with all of the content gear. So when you go to my Amazon store, honey, it's going to be right there. All the items that I mentioned here. And cousins, in this series that I'm doing on the channel, if you have anything or any questions, drop them in the comments below. Let me know. I can go in and answer those questions. I can create a video for you if it's something that I need to go in and explain in more detail. So make sure that y'all are following me on social media at Learn with Shauna T, because that is the page that I will actually be teaching on when it comes to content creation, making money online. Okay, so cousins, I want to tell y'all, thank y'all for tuning into the very first episode of I Create, and I will see y'all next Friday. Bye, y'all.